Have you ever listed your home and your realtor wasn't a friend or a family member or someone you knew? You were listing your home with a stranger. In the back of your mind, you're probably thinking, what if I made the wrong choice? But if you sign a 6-month listing or a 1-year listing with an agent, it is very difficult to get out of that, except if you list with the Easy Referral Network. Because what the Easy Referral Network does is we have written into our contract, if at any time after 60 days you feel you need to go into a new direction, you ought to be able to, and so you do. You email us and you're out. And the reason why we do that is, quite frankly, we care about you. If you think you need to go into a new direction, you ought to be able to. You need to stay in control of your listing. The realtor doesn't. Now you got to give us some time to show you what we can do. But anytime after that, you are free to move into a new direction. And our pledge to you is if you do that, we're going to reach out, shake your hand, wish you well, and hope that your next agent is able to accomplish what you're looking to accomplish. I think this is a concern that many clients have when they list. And so we wanted to make sure that we had policies in place so that you can be comfortable moving forward with us.